Good day, everyone. I am Jerwin Cariman, and this is Proofreading. For our objectives, understand and define the concept and process of proofreading. Define the differences between proofreading and copy reading. To define the duties and responsibilities of a proofreader. And to effectively utilize the proofreader's marks in editing written materials. Now that we have learned the objectives of our lesson, let us now proceed to what is proofreading. Proofreading is a phase in the process of publishing where galley proofs are compared against the original manuscript or graphic artwork to identify transcription errors in the typesetting process. After the copy or draft has been prepared and copy read, it goes to the linotypist to be set into type. During this process, we as proofreaders can proofread the following errors that the linotypist can commit, such as copy errors. These are errors in grammar and word omission that had escaped the blue pencil of the copy reader and which the linotypist copied verbatim. Machine errors. Errors made due to faulty typesetting machines like excessive transposition of letters, blurred letters, poor letter alignment, wrong font, and high and low slug. Operators' errors. Errors that includes the general run of typographical errors. Proofreading of pages is determining whether the impression of cuts and types are even pale or light, checking page dateline, jumps, watching out for wrong syllabications, unevenly spaced words and lines, and improperly spaced words. In case of doubt on the content, check with the copy reader. Make your corrections clear and avoid crisscrossing lines. Now, what is the difference between copy reading and proofreading? Well, copy reading ensures clarity, accuracy, style, and consistency in the text and involves improving the overall quality of the content. It focuses on grammar, punctuation and spelling, sentence structure and tone, checking for factual accuracy, adhering to a specific style guide like APA or Chicago, etc., and making the text more readable and engaging. A copy reader often rewrites or rearranges sentences, ensuring that the content is cohesive and polished. Proofreading, on the other hand, as the final step in editing, is focused on catching surface-level errors before publication. It focuses on typos and minor spelling or grammatical errors, formatting inconsistencies, checking for missing text or misaligned elements, ensuring the document is error-free and print-ready. A proofreader is not required to rewrite content, but ensures the text is clean and professional before publishing. Now, what is the difference between copy reading and proofreading? Copy reading is more comprehensive and involves improving the quality of writing, while proofreading is a lighter task to spot and correct errors before copy reading has been done. Copy reading enhances the substance and style, while proofreading ensures technical correctness. Let us now proceed to the duties of a proofreader. In page proofreading, the proofreader should see to it that 1. The dateline, volume, and number and folio are correct and in their proper positions. Number 2. The stories carry their proper headlines. Number 3. The cuts are straight, properly placed, and correctly captioned. Number 4. The lines of types and column rules are straight. Number 5. The headlines are typographically correct and well written. Number 6. Continued lines and jump heads are properly placed. Number 7. Erratic compositions like transposed or inverted letters and loose types are set right. Number 8. The depth of pages and margins are checked. Number 9. Poor leading or pronounced sledding or spacing between lines are avoided. Number 10. Stray bold or light-faced lines have not crept in. Proofreading marks are not the same as copyreading symbols. It is because proofreading symbols are written in the proof or page's margin, while copyreading symbols are put in the errors itself. Our source material will be from the Figure 2.6 from the 18th edition of the Chicago Manual of Style. First, we are going to talk about the operational signs. First sign on your left means to delete a word or a letter. Second sign to your left is when you close up and delete space. The third sign is used only when deleting letters or wrong letters within a word. Stet means let it stand, and a hashtag means insert space. Now, to make space between lines and words equal, you should write EQ and a hashtag encircled. You should write HR with a hashtag also encircled if you want to insert hair space, LS encircled for letter space, and the fourth sign is used when you want to begin a new paragraph. A box is used to indent type 1M from either left or right. The usage of brackets will be used when you want to move the text either right, left, center, moving up, or moving down on a page. Writing FL encircled means that the text or the paragraph should be flushed on the left side. The same thing can be used when the text should be flushed on right. Write two horizontal lines when you want your text to be straightened or aligned horizontally, and write it vertically if you want to align the text vertically. Write TR encircled for the words to be transposed, and SP if you want certain numbers or words to be spelled out. Next is typographical symbols or signs. If you want the text to set in italic, write ITAL encircled. If you want it to set in a Roman type, write ROM or ROM encircled. If you wanted to set it in boldface, write BF encircled. And if you wanted to set it on a lowercase, write LC encircled. If you want to set the word or a letter on a capital letter, you should write caps encircled. If you want to set the word on small capitals, write SC encircled. If the word is in a wrong font and should be set on a correct type, write WF encircled. To check type image or remove blemish, write X. If you want to insert something or make a superscript, write the following signs below, above the letter, or the mistakes that you want to put onto. Now we're moving on to punctuation marks. We all know we actually use this on our copy reading lesson with Miss Dani Alejo when we want to insert comma, apostrophe, or single quotation marks, period, and insert question mark. To insert a semicolon, write a vertical line and write the semicolon. To insert the colon, you must write a vertical line or write a V sign with the colon itself. To insert a hyphen, write two dash lines above the text and into the margin. In inserting M dashes or N dashes, one must use or write a letter M or N followed by a line under the letter M or the letter N. To insert an M dash or an N dash. If you want to insert parentheses on a specific line or phrase, one must use a vertical line followed by writing of the both parentheses on the left side or right side. Sorry, quick disclaimer. I would like to sincerely apologize for not putting any examples on how to properly use the signs. So, here is a montage of some of the signs being used in proper proofreading. I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Does anybody have any questions? Anyone? Wala naman? Okay. Well then, thank you for listening and have a great day to all. Goodbye.